In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order checks for QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so you can get check stock that's designed to work smoothly with QuickBooks. First, open QuickBooks Online in your browser and head to your main dashboard. This puts you in the right place to access the tools you need. If you use bookmarks, make sure you're opening the official QuickBooks site so everything loads correctly. Next, look for the Create button. Depending on your view, it may appear as a button labeled Create, New, or as a plus icon near the top of the screen. Click that, then choose Check from the list of transaction types. This opens the standard check form inside QuickBooks. Even if you don't plan to write a check right now, this is the easiest doorway to the ordering page. Once the check form is open, scroll toward the bottom area of the page. You should see a link or button labeled Order Checks. Go ahead and click that. This link takes you to the official check ordering partner that integrates with QuickBooks, which helps ensure the checks you buy are formatted to print correctly, line up with stubs and fields, and include the security features you expect. On the ordering page, review the check options available and choose the one that's right for you, then click Get Started. Take a moment to consider the style that fits how you work. Voucher checks are popular because they include a detachable stub you can keep for your records, while 3 per page checks are efficient for batch printing. You'll typically see options that match common printer types, like laser or inkjet, and you can pick quantities that make sense for your order volume. If you print checks from QuickBooks, selecting a layout that matches your printer and paper feed saves time and reduces misprints. As you choose, look for details like security features, the placement of the stub, and whether you want any customization. If you regularly print from QuickBooks, compatibility is key, so match the check style to your intended printing workflow. Before clicking Get Started, make sure the product description mentions QuickBooks compatibility so alignment is accurate right out of the box. That's it. You've gone from the QuickBooks dashboard into the check form straight to the official Order Checks link and selected the option that fits your needs. Click Get Started and follow the on-screen guidance to complete the process. Thanks for watching and enjoy simplified, QuickBooks-ready checks for your business.